If you're listening and typing during client calls, you're doing two jobs badly. Sales teams, agencies, consultants, you know the drill. You're trying to lead the conversation, understand the client, and take perfect notes at the same time. That's not multitasking, that's a productivity trap. Here's the fix. Record your call, and let Konch handle the rest. The moment the meeting ends, your transcript appears automatically on your Konch dashboard, clean, accurate, and ready to use. Then open the transcript in Magic Doc, and simply tell it what you need. A follow-up email, a proposal outline, client notes, next step actions, whatever your workflow requires. Just type your prompt, and Konch creates it instantly. Once Magic Doc generates your summary or action items, just copy and paste it into your CRM, HubSpot, Salesforce, anything you use. Clean, consistent documentation in seconds, without rewriting a single thing. With Konch, your calls stay focused, your notes stay accurate, and your CRM stays organized. No more messy manual note-taking.